Let's dive straight into the latest real estate market insights for Stevenson Ranch. Today's November 12th, 2024, and of course, I'm Connor MacIvor. Over the past 180 days, we've seen a very good market with 62 properties have sold, closing escrow, and currently, as of today at Santa Clarita Open Houses, 32 active listings currently on the market. This is going to include all residential, single-family homes, condos, townhomes. Last 6 months, 62 homes sold in Stevenson Ranch. These include single-family residences, townhouses, and condos, catering to a wide range of buyers. The sold properties range from cozy 2-bedroom condos to expansive 6-bedroom estates. Price ranges of sold homes, the sales prices varied from as low as $515,000 up to condos and townhomes for up to $2 million for luxurious single-family residences. Median sales price stood around $950,000, indicating a strong middle market. Homes are selling quickly with an average of just 21 days on the market. This rapid turnover definitely highlights the high demand for homes in Stevenson Ranch. As of now, there are 32 listings in Stevenson Ranch. The price range of the active listings current are $594,000 to $2,500,000 at the top end. Now, of course, the available properties include a mix of condos, townhomes, and single-family residences. These provide options for various budgets and preferences. There is a very high demand with a low average days on market for sold properties. They indicate a seller's market. Buyers are eager and well-paced homes are definitely moving quickly. Consistent sales, higher price brackets suggest steady appreciation in home values, and with properties ranging from under $600,000 to over $2 million. Stevenson Ranch offers something for everyone, from first-time home buyers to those seeking the luxury estates. Opportunities to maximize your return given the high demand for quick sales. It's an opportune time to definitely get your property on the market. And of course, homes priced appropriately are attracting multiple offers and selling rapidly within days. Investing in minor renovations or staging can make your home stand out and potentially increase your sale price, but it's also going to depend on your competition. For buyers out there, you definitely want to be prepared. With homes selling quickly, it's crucial to have your financing in order and to be ready to make a strong offer. Only work with a knowledgeable realtor, one local to the area. An experienced agent can help you navigate the competitive market and identify the best opportunities. And with a variety of property types available, keep an open mind to find a home that fits your needs and your budget. And of course, Stevenson Ranch is very much known for its desirable location, known for its excellent schools, safe neighborhoods, and convenient access to amenities. Stevenson Ranch remains a top choice for families and professionals. The community offers parks, recreational facilities, and a close-knit atmosphere, definitely enhancing its appeal. The Stevenson Ranch real estate market is vibrant and full of opportunities. Whether you're considering buying or selling, now's the time to make your move. One of the things that people talk about with regard to interest rates, people see that how high they are, and they believe with the new presidency and things that they're going to happen Q1 and Q2 next year, those interest rates are going to come down. If that does happen, and I believe it will, that's going to create a frenzy in the market. Property is going to become more expensive and move a lot faster. So maybe a better strategy would be purchase now and hold off and wait until next year, and then do a refinance to lower your mortgage when rates drop down. Now, of course, as your first responder realtor, I bring a commitment to service, integrity, and results, firsthand knowledge of our community's needs, and a dedication to honest home sales. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss out on the opportunities in today's market. Reach out to me directly to discuss how we can achieve your real estate goals in Stevenson Ranch or the rest of Santa Clarita Valley. Let's work together to make the most of this dynamic market. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate you watching. We'll be back in the next one. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.